Hi, this is Abby Rogers with DrySteam. In this video, I'm going to walk through everything you need to have on hand and know in advance for a smooth installation of reverse osmosis systems. Let's start with the tools and supplies you will need. Screwdrivers, precision screwdrivers for signal connections, medium pipe wrench, level, tire pressure gauge capable of 30 psi, air compressor with Schrader valve inflator connection for pressurizing the reverse osmosis storage tank, ball valve for water shutoff to RO, sampling valve to permit periodic water testing of RO output, VaporLogic IOM, and of course the reverse osmosis system's IOM. Now we'll walk through the components and connection points you'll be working with during installation. Appropriate placement of RO unit with clearances per IOM, storage tank bladder pressurization, water supply connection to RO unit, divert permeate to drain for initial flush, adjusting flow rates for condensate recirc and condensate to drain. And make sure to discuss maintenance with site personnel. Before you head out to the installation site, here are some things you should verify. Floor space for the unit is clear and ready. Power, water, and drain have been run and are operational. Code-approved electrical disconnect. And have contact information on hand to gain access to the facility. Installation will take about 2 to 3 hours if everything at the worksite is ready to go. Now you have all the information you need to help properly prepare for a smooth installation of the reverse osmosis systems. Taking time to plan and check ahead of installation day will save time in the field and prevent unnecessary return trips.